Ha ha, we back, we back. We see Facebook is having technical difficulties. So we're going to finish up. All right, so it's going to be a part 3. So let's finish up this part before they knock us off again and get back to the program. And we were talking about the various credits. All right, so let's keep going because they're going to, I needed to show you the results. This is the results of the tax withholding estimator. Let's look at the results for regular Joe. See, regular Joe, if you do not change your withholdings, you will get a refund. Your expected tax withholding is $4,488, Joe. That's your expected tax withholding. That's what the government is going to hold from you over the year, Joe. And your anticipated tax obligation, Joe, is going to be $3,000, Joe. That results in an estimated overpayment. This is your refund. It's because you overpaid $1,300, Joe. Now, you don't have to go that way. All right? You don't have to go that way. But let me finish this up so I can show you something. Let's get our balance to 0, Joe. Okay? See what the recommendations to fill out that W-4 is. Now, you get that W-4 from your human resources office at your job, or you can download it here, the W-4. And it tells you to complete lines 1 and 2. On line 3, check the box for single because we said Joe was single. And you may not be single. You may have kids. Everybody is different. So work these numbers to see what works best for you. And on line 5, Joe, you are to enter a 2. See, Joe may have had a 1 thinking he was reading that W-4 and said, I just put myself. Or he might have said, I'm going to put 0 so I get more money. No telling what people are thinking when they do this, but this is why the government gives you this technology that you can take advantage of. So again, let's recap so we can get out of here. If you don't change anything, you may have a 0 or 1 on that thing. You will get a refund. Your expected withholdings, what they're going to hold from you, is $4,488. Your anticipated tax obligation, because you're not in business, is going to be $3,145. And your estimated overpayment, because you're not in business and you didn't go back and correct it, will be $1,343. That's a lot of money that can help you cover some things that's going on in your life, help you from getting behind on some of your bills, your credit cards. It's just many things you can do with that $1,300. But if you join with me, let me show you what we recommend you do with that $1,300. All right, look here. I should have blanked all this out. I'm sorry. Let me blank all this out. They stopped me. Okay, but what we have here is some investment tools to show you how to give your money direction. And so what I wanted you to see was that $88, which equals out to $1,300 a year. If you take that $88 monthly and investment in an account, and you get just a basic knowledge and can get 8% of interest on that money for 40 years, let's calculate it. You'll have over $300,000. Understand that, y'all. Can I slide this to the side a little bit? Yeah. Okay, look at this. He's going to overpay on his job $4,488. His tax obligation is $3,144. His estimated overpayment is $1,343. Okay? So what I am saying, that $1,000 you waiting on the government every year and you get 40 of those over 40 years, that's 40-some thousand dollars. No interest, no compounding, no nothing. But if you partner with me, we'll take that $1,300, which is $88, and invest that at 8% over 40 years, and we have $300,000. But I want to show you something more. When you partner with me and you get this information, We're going to show you how to get that account pumping. Let's look at what 13% interest on that $88 a month over 40 years going to do. Watch this. This is when the magic of compound interest occurs. Because like I said, you can wait on that $1,000 from the government every year for 40 years. Or you can take that money now and start giving that money direction, put that money in some accounts and let it grow and help your family. Watch this. 13%, $1.4 million. $88 a month over 40 years, 13% interest. You're now a millionaire. So that's the choice, people. Go to the IRS government website. Have your pay stub handy. Have your taxes handy from last year. Put your information on here. See if you're paying too much. If you're paying too much, I would advise don't go for the refund. Use that money to make more money. All right? So if you found this to be beneficial, if you're interested in learning more, just get back in contact with me. All right? Y'all have a great night, and thank you, Facebook, for cutting me. Ha ha. Peace. Mm-hmm.